December snow in Charlotte is rare, so rare that our biggest December snowfalls all happened decades ago. Let's take a look back at the biggest ones since modern records began in the 1940s and why they still stand out today. December 3rd, 1971. This early season storm dumped 7.5 inches in Charlotte and more than a foot just west of the city. This one tops the list, and winter had barely started. Number 2, December 14th, 1958. Charlotte collected almost 3 inches while eastern areas battled a nasty ice storm. December 29th, 1997. This was the better late than never snow of the 1990s. We didn't get a white Christmas, but just a few days afterward, a system brought Charlotte just shy of 3 inches. December 23rd, 1993. A narrow band of snow brought about 2.6 inches to the city just days after a blizzard hit the mountains. And lastly is the white Christmas of 2010. Charlotte collected 2 inches between Christmas Day and the 26th, both a rare and unforgettable holiday snow.